Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. Now this highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. 6 lanes takes you from the city of Kingston to Portmore. And it's so busy that they're basically going to build a ramp, an exit ramp from Mandela straight into Portmore to help with the flow of traffic. So when we pass the gas station, somewhere between the gas station and the entrance to the Highway 2000, they're going to build a ramp. So you can go to and Portmore or get into Portmore from this road, and then from Portmore you can also come onto this road with the ramp. Okay, so somewhere out here they are going to build the overhead ramp, and it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, and it will definitely help with the flow of traffic on this road, because the busiest section of this road is between Spanish Town Road and the turn off to Portmore. And as you can see, it's 6 lanes, so the additional ramp will definitely help. The ramp is going to start somewhere out here and go over by the Aki village in Portmore. And the government is also expanding a lot of the roads in Portmore. Their Grange Lane is being expanded, a few other roads to help with the flow of traffic into and out of Portmore as well as through Portmore. So we'll keep you updated on that project. I think they were to start in the 2024-25 fiscal year, which would be sometime this year. I'm not sure if the project is on schedule, but the dualization of Grange Lane is to start this month, January 2024. And on the left, that is where you exit to go onto Highway 2000 east-west leg. And then coming up now on the left is where you would turn to go into Portmore. So you'll still have this turn here, but the overhead ramp will also help with the traffic going into Portmore. So during the peak hour traffic now, or the peak hours of traffic, once you pass this stoplight, the traffic frees up. It's not bumper to bumper. So once you can have another entrance into Portmore, it will definitely help with the flow of traffic on this road. There is, if you're coming from Kingston, you can go over the Causeway Bridge or the Portmore Expressway, but that's a toll road, and it's a very expensive toll. For the short distance you travel, the toll rate is extremely high. And it's actually the busiest toll plaza in Jamaica, the toll plaza by the Portmore Expressway. So that gives you an idea of just how many people commute to Portmore every day. Okay, we're turning right now to go on the Highway 2000 north-south leg. This is a road that takes you to Ocherius. And if we continued straight, we would go into Portmore. Sorry, Spanish Town. Alright, so this is now Highway 2000 North South Leg, also known as the Edward Seaga Highway.